Right then, we're in Bluebell Woods, down near Polegate is the easiest way to say it. So this is the first part of our digs today. It's more of a social meeting today. I'm out with Peaky Finders. I'm using the Manticore. We have 2 fields which have 2 100-pound hordes in them, which obviously are planted. So yeah, enjoy. I'm hoping to enjoy it today. I've never really done woods, so this part will be quite interesting. See if we get anything out of here. It is a public walkway, so there might be some modern stuff. There might be nothing. And the fields, I believe, have been done many times before. But you know, at the end of the day, it's a social meet today rather than anything else. So quite looking forward to it. Looking forward to bumping into a couple of people that I haven't seen for a while. But yeah, enjoy and see you at the first hole. 23, not moving. Could be another shot at the end. I've had 2 already. Let's see. Right. Yep. Pinfire. It's an old-fashioned one, and they're the ones I don't mind finding because they show you the age. They give you the age then. So you're looking at around about 1835, 1837, somewhere around there for pinfires. It's not a modern. It's not a modern cartridge that's been converted. So yeah, happy with that. Probably a shot at the end. At least that's what I'm going to go with anyway. Works out to be anything else, then all the better. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a button. It's a button. Yeah, it's a button. Looks like it's got some pattern on there as well. Can't quite make it out. Could be just my eyes playing up. Casing, different casing. It's a 2-2. Little 2-2. 36. That's ended up being another button. Oh. Yeah, 36 button, and it's still got his shank on the back. There you go. 54, 55. Yeah, 54, 55. So it's quite deep, so let's see. Probably I haven't got a clue actually. Clip of something maybe off of a pen. I don't know. Don't know. Numbers are all over the place. From 60s all the way up to the 88. What is that? A lock. Yeah, I think that's a lock. Like a Yale lock or something like that. Oh yeah, looks like there was a key goes in there. So yeah, barrel of a lock. Bit of a scatty signal. It's a 28 to 31. Very scatty. More modern day rubbish. Very trashy field. Never mind. Doesn't sound good again. Lack of signals. So it's a 60-62. Yeah, 60-62. Occasionally jumps up to a 66. That's out. Anyway, sitting at a 61. I've got another nut. What is that this time? Oh dear. A valve off of a tyre. Yeah, looks like a valve off a tyre. Someone's already dug here. An 85, 86. It's interesting. So someone dug and just missed, or what? No, they've dug it and just left it. Come on. What are you playing at? Bit naughty, really. Never mind. I'll take your rubbish. Right, hopefully this is not some rubbish that someone's left behind. It's a full 52. Sorry, it's a 52 to 56. Yeah, it's still 52 to 56. Oh, it's a little watch winder. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. Yeah, a little watch winder. I've got no sprays, I've got nothing. Yeah, a little watch winder. Happy days. Something decent. I'm happy with that. Oh, I thought it was a coin then. Bloody tarp ring. Oh dear. Never mind. 51, 52. $53, $54 now it's open. Ah, button. Still got shank on. But it's got no pattern on it at all. $91.92. What's it going to be? Let's go for a nut. Oh dear me. Never mind.